subject matter expert in mathematics. Today we will solve some problems of the books. Book's name is New Learning Composite Mathematics of the class 6, first chapter. Chapter name is Knowing Our Numbers. We will solve some questions 1 to 3 from the exercise self-practice 1A and 1B. Let's get started. What we will learn today? आज हम क्या सीखेंगे बच्चों? सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस एक्सरसाइज 1A क्वेश्चंस 1 to 5 of the exercise 1A. टॉपिक्स क्या है? टॉपिक्स न्यूमेरल्स, writing and reading numbers, place value and face value of the numbers, standard form of numbers and expanded form of numbers. Let's solve some questions. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दिया गया है, राइट ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स इन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट एंड इन वर्ड फॉर्म. व्हाट इज द नंबर? 23,758. This number you can read as 23,000. This is 1000 place. 2 is in 10,000 place. 3 is in 1000 place. 7 is 100 place. 5 is in tens place and 8 is in unit place. So this number you can read as, हम क्या पढ़ेंगे इसको? 23,758. 8 is in unit place, so we can write it as 8. 5 is in tens place, so its place value of 5 place value of 5 is 5 multiplied by 10 is 50, and place value of 7 is 7 multiplied by 100. 100 place में है ये 7, तो उसको होगा 700. 3 is in 1000 place. 1000 place में है तो 3 क्या होगा? 3 multiplied with 1000, 3000 होगा. एंड 2 कौन सा प्लेस में है? 10,000 place. 2 is in 10,000 place, so place value of 2 will be 2 multiplied with 10,000, that is 20,000. So place value of 23,758 will be 2. Place value of 2 is 20,000. Place value of 3 is 3,000. Place value of 7 is 700. Place value of 5 is 50, and place value of 8 is 8. And this number we can read as 23,758. नंबर दिया गया है 70,509. Place value of 9 is 9. 9 is in unit place, so place value of 9 will be 9. Place value of 0 is in tens place, so place value of 0 will be 0 multiplied with 10 is 0 only. And place value of 5 कौन से प्लेस में है? 100 प्लेस में है, तो 5 multiplied with 100, that is 500. and place value of 0 1000 प्लेस में है, तो प्लेस वैल्यू 0 का प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगा? 0 multiplied with 1000, that is 0 only. and 7 कौन सा प्लेस में है? 10,000 प्लेस. 7 is in 10,000 place, so place value of 7 will be 7 multiplied with 10,000, that is 70,000. और इसको हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? What will read as in word form? word form में क्या होगा? ये 70,509. इसको हम word form में क्या पढ़ेंगे? 70,509. नंबर इज 86,002. नंबर क्या दिया गया है? 86,002. एंड प्लेस वैल्यू हम 86,002 को क्या पढ़ेंगे? व्हाट विल बी द इन वर्ड फॉर्म और 86,002, दैट इज इन वर्ड फॉर्म विल बी 86,002. इज देयर इज नो numbers, no digit in 100 and tens place, so it will be 86,002, and place value of 2 is in tens unit place, so place value of 2 क्या होगा 2 only. 0 is in tens place, so place value of 0 क्या होगा 0 multiplied with 10 is 0 only, and 0 100 place में है 0 what place value of 0 will be 0 multiplied with 100, that is 0 only, and 6 1000 place में है place value of 6 will be 6 multiplied with 1000, that is 6000, and 8 is in 10,000 place, so place value of 8 will be 80,000. So word form of this number 86,002 will be 86,002, and place value of 8 is 80,000. 6 का place value है 6,000, 0 का place value है 0, 0 का place value 0, and place value of 2 is 2 only. नंबर इज 90,018. नंबर दिया गया है 90,018. We read it in word form as 90,000. There is no digit in thousand place, so 90,000. 90,018. There is no digit in 100 place, so it will be 90,018. हम इसको पढ़ेंगे 90,018 in word form. And place value of 8. 8 कौन से place में है unit place, so place value of 8 is 8 only. 1 कौन से place में है place value of 1 is tens place. 1 multiplied with 10 is 10 only, and place value of 0 is 0 multiplied with 100, that is 0 only, and place value of 0 1000 place में है, तो place value of 0 will be 0 multiplied with 1000, that is 0 only, and place value of 9 is 9 10,000 place में है, so place value of 9 is 90,000. so इसको हम पढ़ेंगे 90,018. what is in word form? we read it in word form as 90,018, and place value of 9 is 90,000, place value of 0 is 0, place value of 0 is 0, place value of 1 is 10, place value of 8 is 8. Now we will solve question number 2. Question number 2 is write the following numbers in place value chart and standard form and expanded form. Given the number in word form, that is 14,736, that is in word form. हम इसको प्लेस वैल्यू में कैसे लिखेंगे 14,736. 14,000, सो 10,000 प्लेस में होगा 1, 4 होगा 1000 प्लेस, so 14,000, so 1 4, 1 is in 10,000 place, 4 is in 1000 place, 700, so 7 is in 100 place, and 36, 3 will be in tens place, and 6 will be in 0, 6 will be in unit place. So 14,736 will be place value of 1 is in 10,000, 1000 place में 4, 100 place 7, tens place 3, and unit place ones place, that is 6. And standard form of this number will be 14,000. So 1 4 comma 14,000 1 4 comma 736 736. So 1 4 is in 14,000, and 700, 7 is in 100 place, and 3 is in tens place, 6 is in unit place, ones place, so 736. and expanded form में क्या होगा 14,736. what is in expanded form 1 4 14,000 comma 736, 1 4 comma 736, that is 1 is in 10,000 place, so 1 will be place value of 1 is 10,000 plus 4 is in 1000 place. So 4 multiplied with 1000 is 4000. 7 is in 100 place. So place value of 7 is 7 multiplied with 100 is 700. And place value of 3 is 3 multiplied with 10 is 30. And place value of 6 is 6 multiplied with 1 is 6. So standard form of 14,736 is 14,736, and expanded form of 14,736 will be 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 6. नंबर दिया गया है वर्ड फॉर्म में 20,945, that is in word form, and we have to write in standard form. 20,945 20 comma standard form 20 comma 20,945 945, and place value chart will be 20,000. 2 is in 10,000 place, 0 is in 1000 place, 9 is in 100 place, 4 is in tens place, 5 is in ones place. So place value of 20,945 is 2 10,000 place, 0 1000 place, 9 100 place, 4 tens place, 5 is in ones place. And standard form is 20, 945. And expanded form में क्या होगा? What will write in expanded form? What will be the in expanded form? 20, 945. 2 place value of 2 is 2 multiplied with 10,000, that is 20,000. 20,000 plus 0 multiplied with 1,000, that is 0 only. And 9 place value of 9 is 100 place. So place value of 9 will be 9 multiplied with 100, that is 900. And 4 is in tens place. 4 multiplied with 10 is 40. And 5 is in ones place. So 5 multiplied with 1 is 5 only. So this is in expanded form. Now number is 84,018. 84,018. So standard form of this number will be 84. 84 comma 18. 84,084 comma 18. There is no digit in 100 place, so we write it as a 0 only in 100 place, and 18 1 8. This is in standard form. 84 comma 018. And place value chart. Place value of 8 is 10,000. Place value of 4 is 4,000 1000 place. Place value of 0 is in 100 place, 0 100 place. Place value of 1 is in tens place, 1 is in tens place. Place value of 8 is in ones place, unit place. And expanded form में क्या होगा? 84 018 in expanded form will be 8 multiplied with 10,000, that is 80,000. And 4,000, 4 multiplied with 1000 is 4,000. And 0 multiplied with 100 is 0 only. And 1 multiplied with 10 is 10 only. And 8 unit place, so it is 8 multiplied with 1 is 8 only. So expanded form of this number 84,018 will be 80,000 plus 4,000 plus 0 plus 10 plus 8. 84,018 will be 84,018 and 8 is in 10,000 place, 4 is in 1000 place, 0 is in 100 place, 1 is in tens place and 8 is in unit place. So expanded form is 8 multiplied with 10,000 80,000 plus 4,000, 4 multiplied with 1000 is 4,000, 0 multiplied with 100 is 0 and 1 multiplied with 10 is 10 and 8 multiplied with 1 is 8. This is in expanded form. Now 55,005. The number is given is 50 in word form. This is in word form 55,005. This is in word form 55,005. And what will be in place value chart? 55,000. So 5 is in 10,000 place 55,000. So 5 is in 1000 place, 5 is in 10,000 place and 5. And there is no digit in 100 place and tens place. So we write in 100 place 0, in tens place 0 and 5. 5 is in ones place. 55,005. 5 is in 10,000 place, 5 is in 1000 place, 0 is in 100 place, in tens place 0, 5 is in ones place. And standard form of this number 55,005 will be 55,005. And expanded form of this number 55,005 will be 5 is in 10,000 place. So 5 multiplied with 10,000 is 50,000 and 5 is in 1000 place. So 5 multiplied with 1000 is 5,000 and 0 is in 100 place, 0 multiplied with 100 is 0 and 0 is tens place, 0 multiplied with 10 is 0 only and 5 is in ones place, 5 multiplied with 1 is 5 only. This is in expanded form. $55,005. 5 is in 10,000 place, 5 is in 1000 place. There is no digit, so 0 is in 100 place and 0 is in tens place and 5 is in ones place. And expanded form of this number 55,005 will be 55,005 will be 50,000 plus 5,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5. Right now we will solve question number 3. Question number 3 is write the place value of the color digit of each of the following numbers. The first number given is 56,718, 56,780. Sorry, 56,708 and this 7 is in color. So we have to find the place value of this number of this digit 7. Place value of 7 in 56,708 will be 7 is in 100 place. So 7 multiplied with 100 is 700. 7 is in 100 place. So place value of 7 will be 700. And second number is 34,650. We can read it as 34,650 and place value of this digits 3 is in color digit, so place value of 3 will be 3 is in 10,000 place, so place value of 3 is place value of 3 in 34,650 is 3 is in 10,000 place, so 3 multiplied with 10,000 that is 30,000. Place value of 3 will be 30,000. नंबर क्या दिया गया है 89,206। हम इसको पढ़ेंगे 89,206 एंड प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 9, दिस कलर डिजिट विल बी प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 9। 9 कौन से प्लेस में है, 1000 प्लेस, और प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 9 विल बी 9 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 1000, दैट इज 9000। सो प्लेस वैल्यू 9 का प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगा 9000। प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 9 in 89,206, 89,206 will be 9 multiplied with 1000, as 9 is in 1000 place, so multiplied with 1000, 9 multiplied with 1000 is 9000। और सेकेंड नंबर दिया गया है 90,632, उसको हम पढ़ेंगे 90,632। we read it as 90,632 and place value of this color digit 3। कलर डिजिट 3 इज इन टेंस प्लेस, टेंस प्लेस में है, सो इसका प्लेस वैल्यू 3 का प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगा 3 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 10, दैट इज 3। प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 3 इन 90,630 विल बी 3 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 10, दैट इज 30। हमने सॉल्व कर दिया सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस 1A। फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज हम सॉल्व कर दिया, अभी सेकेंड एक्सरसाइज हमको सॉल्व करना है। वी हैव टू सॉल्व सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस 1B क्वेश्चंस 1 to 3 and topics are successor and predecessor। Successor is next number and predecessor is before number, after and before, and comparing numbers। We have to compare the numbers। यह है टॉपिक सक्सेसर एंड प्रेडिसेसर कंपेयरिंग नंबर्स। Now we have to solve question number 1। Question number 1 is write the successor of each of the following numbers। We have to find the next number, that is after of this given number। First number is 9,320। We read it as 9,320। We have to find the successor, that is we have to add 1 to this number। Successor of 9,320 is 9,320 plus 1। Successor means next number, that is after, so we have to add 1 with this number। 9320 plus 1 will be 9321, 9,321। Successor of 9,320 will be 9,321। 75,439, सेकेंड नंबर में क्या दिया गया है 75,439। हम इसको पढ़ेंगे 75,439। We read it as 75,439 and what is the successor of this number, that is the next number। We have to add just only 1 to this number। So successor of 75,439 will be 75,439, 75,439 plus 1, that is 75,440, 75,440। इसका सक्सेसर नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या होगा 75,439 प्लस 1, that is 75,440। एंड थर्ड नंबर में दिया गया है 80,999, 80 हम इसको पढ़ेंगे 80,999। वी रीड इट एज 80,999। एंड व्हाट इज द सक्सेसर ऑफ दिस नंबर 80,999 प्लस 1, दैट इज 81,000, 81,000, 000। सक्सेसर क्या होगा 80,999 का। सक्सेसर ऑफ 80,999 will be 80,999 plus 1, that is 81,000, 81,000। फोर्थ नंबर में दिया गया है 54,099। We read it as 54,000 99. There is no digit in 100 place, so 99. And what is the successor of this number? Successor will be the next number, that is we add 1 to this number. 54,099 plus 1. 54,099 plus 1 will be 54,099 plus 1 will be 100. 54,100. Now we will solve question number 2. Question number 2 given is write the predecessor of each of the following number. That is, we have to find the before number. How we will find the before number? Just subtract 1 from this number. First number is 6,548. We read it as 6,548. And what is the predecessor of this number? Predecessor of this number 6,548 will be 6,548 minus 1. Just subtract 1 from this number. 6,548 minus 1 will be 6,547. So 6,548 का predecessor क्या हुआ? Before number क्या हुआ? 6,548 minus 1, that is 6,547. सेकेंड नंबर में क्या दिया गया है? 27,235. What we read it as 27,235. हम इसको पढ़ेंगे 27,235. And what is the predecessor of this number? 27,235 minus 1, that is 27,234. प्रेडिसेसर क्या होगा? 27,235 का 27,235 minus 1, that is 27,234. And the third number given is 49,700. We read it as 49,700. हम इसको पढ़ेंगे 49,700. And what is the predecessor of this number? Predecessor of this number 49,700 will be 49,700 minus 1. Just subtract 1 from this number. 49,700 minus 1 is 49,699. तो प्रेडिसेसर बिफोर नंबर क्या होगा? 49,700 का 49,700 माइनस 1. जस्ट हमको 1 माइनस करना पड़ेगा 49,700 से. सो हम क्या मिलेगा हमको? 49,699. फोर्थ में क्या दिया गया है? 85,030. वी रीड इट एज 85,030. हम इसको पढ़ेंगे 85,030. And what is the predecessor of this number? Predecessor of this number is just subtract 1 from this number. So predecessor of this number 85,030 will be 85,030 minus 1. 85,030 minus 1, that is 85,029. 85,029. predecessor क्या होगा? 85,030 का 85,030 minus 1, that is 85,029. 85,029. Now we have to solve question number 3. Question number 3 is compare the numbers. Use the symbol greater than, less than and equal to. First number given is 9120 and 19,417. We read it as 9,120 and 19,417. We have to compare these numbers. 9120. 9,120 is a 4-digit number, and 19,417, that is this is a 5-digit number. This is a 4-digit and this is a 5-digit. So अगर हम इसको कंपेयर करेंगे तो क्या होगा, 9,120 4-digit है और ये 19,417 5-digit है. तो 9120 is greater than 9,120 is less than 19,417. और हम इसको दूसरे प्रकार में भी लिख पाएंगे, 19,417 greater than 9,120. Both will be correct. 9,120 is a 4-digit number and 19,417 is a 5-digit number. Always more place value digit number will be the greatest number than the other number. So 19,417 5-digit number. This number 5-digit number will be greater than the 4-digit number. So 19,417 greater than 9,120, or we can write it as 9,120 less than 19,417. Second number is 7,986. We read it as 7,986 and 10,245. 10,245. 7,986 is a 4-digit number and 10,245 is a 5-digit number. We know always 5-digit number is greater than the 4-digit number. That is, the more place value, more digits in a number will be greater than the less digit number. So 7,986 4-digit number and 10,245 5-digit number. So 7,986 is less than 10,245. 7,986 a 4-digit number and और 10,245 a 5-digit number. हम जानते हैं 5-digit number जिसमें ज़्यादा digit होता है, that is the more digit is always greater than the less number of digit. 10,245 5-digit number है, तो 5-digit number greater number. So हमको मिला 7,986 is less than 10,245. Third number is 54,738 and 64,520. We read it as 54,738 and 64,520. 54,730 is a 5-digit number and 64,520 is also a 5-digit number. So now we have to compare this place value 5. Here in 10,000 place value of 10,000 place में क्या है 5, and here in 64,520 place value in 10,000 place is 6. We know 5 is less than 6, so 54,738 will be less than 64,520. In 10,000 place between two numbers, 10,000 place 5 is less than 6. So 54,738 is less than 64,520. So we know from this number we know that more number of digit always greater than the less number of digit. Now we have the number 15,739 and 15,739. We read it as 15,739 and this also we read it as 15,739. In both number, all digits are equal in their respective places. In first number, 1 is in 10,000 place. In second number, 1 is also in 10,000 place. In first number, 5 is in 1000 place. In second number, 5 is in 1000 place. In third number, in first number, 7 is in 100 place. In second number, 7 is also in 100 place. In first number, 3 is in tens place. In second number, 3 is also in second place. In first number, 9 is in ones place. In second number, 9 is also in ones place. So all digits are equal in their respective places. So 15,739 equal to 15,739. We place the equal symbol between these two numbers. यहाँ पे all digits, सब digits same है, so हमको equal to symbol हमको place करना पड़ेगा यहाँ. Now we have to solve the next bit 80,615 and 78,976. We read it as 80,615 and 78,976. Both are 5-digit number, so we have to compare their place value. That is the place, what is the digit in their respective places. Here, first number in 10,000 place, digit is 8. In second number, in 10,000 place, digit is 7. 7 is in 10,000 place, and in first number 8 is in 10,000 place. We know 8 is greater than 7, so 80,615 is greater than 78,976. यहाँ पे बोथ नंबर्स है, यहाँ पे दोनों ही नंबर 5 डिजिट से, सो जहाँ पे 5 डिजिट दोनों ही नंबर सेम नंबर ऑफ डिजिट होगा तो हम वहाँ पे प्लेस वैल्यू दिखेंगे. तो प्लेस वैल्यू में क्या है, फर्स्ट नंबर में 10,000 प्लेस में 8 है और सेकेंड में 10,000 प्लेस में 7 है. हम जानते हैं 8 इज ग्रेटर देन 7, 8 इज बिगर नंबर, सो 80,615 is greater than 78,976. So we place the symbol greater than between these numbers. Now third number is 24,3865 and 23,938. We read it as 24,865 and 23,938. In 10,000 place, first number in 10,000 place, number 2 is there in 10,000 place. In second number in 10,000 place, number 2, digit 2 is there. In both numbers in 10,000 place, digits are equal. 2 and 2 are equal. So next we have to compare the next place value digit. Here in 1000 place value digit is 4. In 1000 place, in second number place value digit is 3. We know 4 is greater than 3, so 24,865 is greater than 23,938. यहाँ पे दोनों में 5 डिजिट नंबर है, बट इन 10,000 प्लेस में फर्स्ट नंबर में 10,000 प्लेस में 2 है, सेकेंड नंबर में भी 2 है. दोनों ही डिजिट सेम है, तो हमको सेकेंड प्लेस वैल्यू डिजिट को कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे 1000 प्लेस में फर्स्ट नंबर के 1000 प्लेस में 4 है और सेकेंड नंबर के प्लेस वैल्यू में 3 है. हम जानते हैं कि 4 इज ग्रेटर देन 3. वी नो 4 इज ग्रेटर देन 3, सो 24,865 is greater than 23,938. From this number we know that when both digits are equal in their respective places, then we have to place the equal symbol. When the digits in first number and second number is also equal, then we have to go to the second place value digit. We have to compare the second place value digit, that is the thousand place, and if there is in thousand place also the digits are equal, then we have to move to the hundred place digit and we have to compare. And if in hundred place digit also equal, then we have to move to the tens place digit and we have to compare the place value digit in the tens place. Now the number given is 61,798 and 61,630. We read it as 61,730 and 61,630. हम इसको पढ़ेंगे 61,798 और 61,630. In 10,000 place and digits is in first number. In 10,000 place 6 is there. In second place, in 10,000 place digit also same, that is 6 only. So in 10,000 place in both number digits are equal, 6 and 6. Next we move to 1000 place. In 1000 place in the first number digit is 1 and in second number in 1000 place digit 1 is there. So both are equal, 1 and 1. So next we move to 100 place. Here in 100 place first number digit is 7. In second number in 100 place digit is 6. We know 7 is greater than 6. So 61,798 is greater than 61,630. Next we have to solve the next bit. Now we have to solve this next bit. 26,718 and 26,702. We read it as 26,718 and 26,702. In 10,000 place, in first number digit is 2. In second number in 10,000 place digit is 2. In both numbers in 10,000 place digits are equal. So next we move to 1000 place. In 1000 place in first number digit is 6. In second number in 1000 place digit is 6. Both are equal, 6 and 6. Next we move to 100 place. In first number 100 place digit is 7. In second number in second number in 100 place digit is 7. Both are equal, 7 and 7. So we have to move to tens place. In tens place digit, in first number tens place digit is 1. In second number in tens place digit is 0. So we know 1 is greater than 0. So we get 26,718 is greater than 26,702. फर्स्ट नंबर में 26,718, सेकेंड नंबर 26,702 है. इन 10,000 प्लस फर्स्ट नंबर 2 एंड सेकेंड नंबर में भी 2 है, तो हमको नेक्स्ट नंबर हमको कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट डिजिट 6 and 6 both are equal, so we move to 100 plus digit. Here also 7 and 7 both are equal, so next we move to tens plus digit. Here in tens place digit, in first number 1 is there, in second number in tens place digit 0 is there, so we know 1 is greater than 0. So 26,718 is greater than 26,702. Now the number given is 20,019 and 20,019. We read it as 20,019 and 20,019. In both numbers, all digits are equal. In first number, in 10,000 plus digit is 2. In second number, in 10,000 plus digit is 2. Both are equal. Next we move to 1000 plus. In 1000 plus 0 is there. In second number, in 1000 plus 0 is there. Both are equal. So we move to 100 plus. In first number 100 plus digit is 0. In second number 100 plus digit is 0. Both are equal. So we move to tens place digit. In first number tens place digit is 1. In second number tens place digit is 1. Both are equal. Next we move to unit place digit. In first number unit place digit is 9. In second number ones place digit is 9. Both are equal. In both number, both have the equal digits in their respective places. So both two numbers are equal. So we place the symbol equal to. So we get 20,019 equal to 20,019. Now we solve. Now we compare the next bit, that is 14, 43, 597 and 43, 599. We read it as 43,597 and 43,999. In first number, in 10,000 place digit 4 is there. In second number, in 10,000 place digit 4 is there. Both are equal. So you move to next place value digit, that is in 1000 place value digit, that is in first number in 1000 place 3 is there. In second number in 1000 place 3 is there. Both are equal. So you move to 100 place. In 100 place first number in 100 plus digit is 5. In second number in 100 plus digit is 5 is there. Both are equal, 5 and 5. So we move to tens place digit. In first number tens place digit is 9, and in second number in tens place digit, tens place value digit is 9. Both are equal, 9 and 9. So next we move to ones place digit. In ones place, in first number 7 is there. In second number in ones place, that is in unit place, 9 is there. We know 7 is less than 9. So we get 43,597 is less than 43,599. In 10,000 place, in 1000 place, in 100 place, in tens place, both have the same number, same digit. So we move to ones place value. In ones place, in first number in ones place is 7. In second number ones place value is 9. We know 7 is less than 9. So 43,597 is less than 43,599. In 10,000 place, 1000 place and tens place both have equal digits, that is 4, 3, 5 and 9. So we compare the unit place, that is ones place. 7 is less than 9. So we get 43,597 is less than 43,599. Now we will compare the number 1,01,011 and 1,01,101. We read this number as 1,01,011 and second number is 1,01,101. In first number, in lakh place, one digit 1 is there. In second number, in lakh place, digit 1 is there. Both are equal. So we move to 10,000 place. In 10,000 place, in first number 0 is there. In second number, in 10,000 plus digit 0 is there. So both are equal. So we move to thousand place. In first number thousand place digit is 1. In second number thousand place digit is 1. Both are equal, 1 and 1. So we move to hundred place. In first number hundred plus digit is 0. In second number hundred plus digit is 1. We know 0 is less than 1. So we get 1 lakh 1011 is less than 1 lakh 1101. In lakhs, 10,000 and 1,000 place both have equal digit, that is 1, 0 and 1. So we compare to the 100 plus digit, that is in first number 100 plus digit is 0, in second number 100 plus digit is 1. We know 0 is less than 1. So we get 1 lakh 1011 is less than 1 lakh 1101. Next we solve this number 23, 462 and 32, 642. We read this number as 23,462 and 32,642. In 10,000 place, in first number digit 2 is there. In second number, in 10,000 place digit is 3. We know 2 is less than 3. So we get 23,462 is less than 32,642. If you have any doubt, then please write in comment section and I will reply. And please subscribe my channel. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep watching and subscribe